Here's some Hutterite life trivia. Subscribe. Which language is primarily spoken by Hutterites? Is it A, English, B, French, C, Spanish, or D, German? The correct answer is D, German. What type of government do Hutterite colonies typically utilize? Is it A, autocracy, B, theocratic, C, monarchy, or D, anarchy? The correct answer is B, theocratic. Which festival is celebrated in Hutterite communities to mark spring? Is it A, Easter, B, New Year's Day, C, Christmas, or D, Harvest Festival? The correct answer is A, Easter. What is the name of the traditional Hutterite dwelling? Is it A, house, B, bungalow, C, cabin, or D, tent? The correct answer is A, house. During which season do Hutterites typically hold harvest festivals? Is it A, winter, B, autumn, C, spring, or D, summer? The correct answer is B, autumn. Which religious denomination do Hutterites follow? Is it A, Lutheran, B, Anabaptist, C, Orthodox, or D, Catholic? The correct answer is B, Anabaptist. Hutterite colonies are usually located close to which type of area? Is it A, urban, B, coastal, C, industrial, or D, rural? The correct answer is D, rural. In what type of housing do Hutterites typically reside? Is it A, shared, B, individual homes, C, apartment complexes, or D, mobile trailers? The correct answer is A, shared. How is Hutterite leadership typically determined within colonies? Is it A, appointment, B, hereditary, C, election, or D, consensus? The correct answer is D, consensus. What is a common celebration for Hutterite marriages? Is it A, weddings, B, Christmas feast, C, harvest festival, or D, anniversary party? The correct answer is A, weddings. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.